Hi, good afternoon. I'd like to know how much you guys charging for the fuel injection service?
Fuel injection, okay, yeah. Give me 1 second. Fuel injection, it will come out to $224.
224 is what kind of
$224.14.
what kind of fuel additive you guys put in that?
Let me just confirm really quick with one of my techs.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
224.
We had BG.
It's BG 44K?
Yeah. So it's not 44K. It is like a fuel kit. If you just give me a moment, I could call a parts department and let you know.
Okay, thank you.
Alrighty, so we use CF5.
Say again?
CF5.
Oh, CF5, okay. How's it, guys? It's Fix It Angel. Thank you for joining with me. This is my Friend Zone 2017 Honda Accord Sport. And today I'm going to do a fuel injection service. They do this service at the Honda dealership for $200. I'm going to use this BG Platinum 44K fuel system cleaner. They use the CF5. This is much better. In Amazon, this costs about $25. So let's do this. Shit. The tank is 3/4 full. Alright guys, that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment. God bless and peace.